G'day everyone. This one goes out to Mick. G'day Mick, apprentice electrician, asking me about the old wiring systems. Recently we did a video on old wiring systems up in a roof space, and I have got a treat for you, Mick. Step this way and I'll show you something. We have just pulled this out of a roof that we're renovating, and you can see here, this is the old boxing that the wires used to run in. Here are the wires here, you can see it running through here. So these are the old wiring systems. This is still nailed together, and you've got black on one side, so your negative and your positive on each side. There's no earth wire running through there. And this was handmade on site. Now, to answer your question, Mick, if you have a look inside, you can actually see that wire inside those. And this on the outside is actually a cloth or a cotton. And they used to run, oh, here we go, here's a better one. You can see that wire there, and you can see the cotton, and that's just fraying off. So those wires just used to run inside these boxes, and they used to run all over the ceiling. I guess at the end of the day, that's why we had a lot of fires. It worked for the time being, but you've got a live electrical cable or wire running through cotton, running through timber. So there's going to be a heat transfer somewhere, or if there was ever a short out, obviously then we would get those fires. Now, if you have a look here, we've got today's modern day wiring system. So we've got insulation, which is the white, then we've got insulation around the wires. So this is all completely separated, and then we can run this in a conduit if we want to. Again, it's not touching any timber. It's separated from everything. Every wire is separated from each other. The wires won't get hot in there, and they've got freedom to be able to move and contour around corners and everything else, obviously, because it's just like that. Differences between old school wiring, new school wiring. There is other wiring that I've come across, and I'll make sure that I make a video of those when we come to them. For today's little video, Mick, that was for you, the old school wiring with the cotton wrapping around it in the timber boxes, and our new school wiring and those two differences. Till then, I see you next time, and stay unreal, banana peel.